Well, after that we are going to talk about the next chapter, that is the Atmega 328 details. Well, we have talked about earlier that Atmega 328 is the black color chip on the board. This is known as Atmel Atmega 328 PPU. PPU because it runs on 5 volt and it is power saving chip. Okay, the frequency, well, it has a built-in clock that runs on 8 megahertz, but by adding a crystal on it, you can see that here this is the crystal, and after adding a crystal on it we can make it run on 16 megahertz. And all the Arduino boards with Atmega 328 work on 16 megahertz processing speed. And the next part is flash memory, or you can say it simply the hard disk of the microcontroller. It is of 32 kilobyte, and I mean by saying 32 kilobyte, it means that it cannot store photo or other data, but it is just for storing the program that is written on the chip. The program is written on the chip in the form of hexadecimal, but we have to program it in the Arduino IDE with C++ language. Well, Arduino is a special form of C++ language that is very easy to use, and it can be used for non-professionals also. About the pins, it has 28 physical pins. Well, you can count here, it has 28, more than 28 pins, because the ground port has been given 2 times, and also 3.3 power adapter is also added on the board, and 3 pins for input output reference. Okay, about the next points, digital pins. Well, on board you can see that it has straight 13 digital pins. Well, I want to tell you that first of all, consider that pin 0 and pin 1 as node should be used for the processing, because if we are doing a serial connection and then if we are using pin 0 and pin 1, then there will be an error in the serial communication. So we have to prefer that we don't prefer pin 0 and pin 1 for our programming and other purposes. It has 5 analog pins such as A0, A1, A2 till A5. Well, all the analog pins can also be used as GPIO digital pins, but note that point that pin A0 should be written as digital pin 14 and A1 as digital pin 15 and so on. Okay, next. Thank you. Have a nice day.